Hello and welcome. This is Amanda, the Nerdy Crafter, and I am back here today to go through day 12 of my Art Impressions Advent Calendar. Oh my goodness, this has been so amazing. I'm now almost finished with my third row here, almost done with week 2. I've had so much fun working on this Advent. Every day is a new stamp that allows you to add to your collection and make more fun, exciting things. So let's see what we have in store for day 12. Oh, this is beautiful. It's just another leaf. I don't know if this is like a eucalyptus leaf or what type of leaf it is. I'm going to reach out to you in the comments. If you know what this is, please let me know. I just love all the different foliage that comes with this kit. It allows you to really expand and use up all your amazing stamps and embellishments and adds just some new texture to it. So today I decided just to do a quick, simple, and easy card. I just wanted some non-Christmas. I've kind of gone a lot of Christmas, so I'm going to do this. And I'm just going to add some greenery around the outside edges here. And I think I'm going to use this to kind of come out this way, so around each of the edges. So this will be really fast and simple. With this one, I've got to decide if I think I'm going to go a little non-traditional with this 346. So I'm going to just turn some music on and let you listen along while I create this cute little card. I will catch you back at the end. All right, thank you so much for following me. This is Amanda the Nerdy Crafter, and we have now completed day 12 of our Advent Calendar. I think I want to add a little bit of bling to this. Let's see. Ooh, this one has a little bit of the blue. Let's bring these little blues in. Okay, now we've completed our day 12 of our Art Impression Advent Calendar. I love this wood grain. I wish we had a full paper pack of just wood grain backgrounds. I was coveting it and I'm like, oh, I need to use it, but it's so beautiful. So just a quick, simple little card to give out. These cards are amazing. I love how you can just add 2 or 3 stamps together, a little bit of color, and it goes a long, long way. Well, thank you again for joining me. This is day 12 of the Art Impressions Advent Calendar, and I will see you tomorrow.